In this video, I'll show you how to use Scene Builder in Google Flow. First, open your web browser, go to Google Flow, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, create a new project or open an existing one where you want to build a scene. Next, open the Scene Builder tool. This is where you can organize your video by creating individual scenes. Each scene represents a separate shot or sequence, allowing you to build your video one section at a time. Now, click Add Scene to create your first scene. Enter a detailed prompt describing what you want to appear in the shot. Include the subject, environment, camera angle, lighting, movement, and visual style. The more specific your prompt is, the better the generated scene will match your vision. After that, generate the scene and review the result. If needed, edit the prompt to change the background, camera movement, character actions, or visual style. Continue adding new scenes for each part of your story until your entire video is complete. Finally, arrange your scenes in the correct order, preview the full sequence, and make any final adjustments. Once you're satisfied with the result, export your project using the available export options and save the finished video to your device. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Scene Builder in Google Flow. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.